Hello everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Menards Credit Card Online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Menards Credit Card Online, open up a web browser. In the web address bar at the top, type in menards.capitalone.com and press enter on your keyboard. In order to log into your Menards Credit Card Online, you'll need to first set up an account on Capital One. If you don't have a Capital One online account, click on Set Up My Account button, since Menards Credit Card is issued by Capital One Bank. If you already have a Capital One account, click on the Sign In button and enter your credential on the next page. Start off by typing in your username in the first text box and head over to the next field and type in your password. If you'd like the system to remember your credential, check Remember Me box beneath, but leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device for your security. In case you don't remember your username or your password, click on Forgot Username or Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your credentials. After typing in your credential, click Sign In in order to access your Menards Credit Card Online. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.